Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable waiting rooms on your Zoom meeting. So to do that, you will need to head over to the account section on your Zoom account and then click on the settings tab. Now here are all the settings that you can manage for your Zoom account. Now under meetings and under in meeting advanced, you'll need to search for the waiting room option. So click on meeting in meeting advanced and then scroll down to find the waiting rooms option. If you can't find it, you can also do ctrl F on your keyboard and then type waiting room. It will take you directly to the waiting room section. Now make sure that this option is enabled. This way, the new participants will not directly be joined to the meeting and will be sent to the waiting room, from where the host will need to accept them for them to join the meeting. So that's how easily you can enable waiting rooms in your Zoom account. I really hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. For more videos, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified for any of our future videos. And that will be it for today's video, and I'll be back with more videos soon. Thank you for watching.